Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're looking at adding text boxes like this to a chart in Microsoft Excel. But the way we're going to add them is so that this doesn't happen. They don't get left behind when you move the chart. So to get started, I'm going to switch to another version of this chart that doesn't have the text boxes yet, and we're just going to add one. If you're interested in how you would go about making a chart like this, click in the top corner here and I'll give you a link to that chart video. But right now it doesn't matter what sort of chart you're using, you can add a text box to it. The secret to this is to make sure that you have the chart selected before you start. If you don't, the box won't be associated with the chart, it won't move with the chart. So I've got my chart selected. Now I'm going up here to the Insert tab. I'm going across here to text box. I'm just going to click on text box, and you'll know that you've done it the right way because you'll get this little sort of pointer, and so you're just going to drag over the chart area to add your text box. Now you can resize it later on, so don't worry if you don't get it perfect, but you do want to draw it over the chart because the whole purpose of this is to make sure that the text box goes with your chart. So before I start, I'm going to shape format. I'm just going to click here and I'm going to choose a format for it. So I'm going to choose this format here, and then I'm going to type the text I want in the text box. Now I've got more text than actually fits comfortably in the box, so I can resize it either by making it taller, but I'm going to make this one wider. And now I can just grab the text box and move it. So I'm just going to position it in this area of the chart and click away from the chart. The test is, of course, will it move with the chart? Well, let's just click on the chart and move the chart. And you can see that the text box is associated with the chart. You need to make sure that the chart is selected before you go to Insert and then Text Box. But when you do that, you'll find that your text boxes are actually linked with the chart, and you can add as many as you want. You can position them wherever you want in your charts. If you like carefully researched content like this, clearly presented in a step-by-step format so that you can get great results every time, then you'll love my other YouTube videos. So give this video a thumbs up and click to subscribe to the channel. And on the screen now, you'll see a video that I've handpicked for you to watch next.